Hi everyone! I wanted to share with you this amazing Chalk Couture project. What's Chalk Couture, you ask? We sell amazing silkscreen adhesive back reusable transfers that can be used with our one-of-a-kind chalk paste that goes on wet and dries hard and can be erased with water, and with our brand new Couture inks that are permanent once they are heat set. So today I wanted to show you the You Can't Touch This transfer and how I'm going to use it as a mix between our Couture inks, which I'm currently using right now, and then a mix of our chalk paste. Now, all I did was put the Couture ink right on, put the transfer right on with our Couture ink, then move the transfer over to another project, and I went and used our chalk paste with this. Now, a little bit goes a long way with the chalk paste, guys. Once you put it on, you're going to go ahead and you're going to peel the transfer off, and from that point, you'll go ahead and you'll put it in some water. Now, I'm just drying this because I'm going to be doing another layer, and additionally with the inks, you can't heat set it until it's completely dry. So right now I'm getting ready to do the second layer of the cactus, which will put the super cute little prickly pieces of the cactus on there. And I'm going to go ahead and utilize that with our black Couture ink. Once again, just pulling it all over the transfer and showing exactly how it can be done. Our transfers are amazing. They can be used over and over and over again, and you can jazz up any project you have laying around your house. Who needs to go out and spend the money on it, on home decor, when you can go ahead and you can create your home decor? And the cool part about our transfers is, as you can see, I had it in water and I moved it over to a towel. I used a disinfectant wipe to clean it, and right now I'm trying to quick dry it so that way I can reuse the transfer back onto with the chalk paste on the other project that I have, the little wood project. So I just wanted to show you just how versatile these transfers actually are, how easy they are to use. You can utilize them with layers. You can go ahead and you can use it just by itself. You can marble the chalk paste. It's just simply amazing. I love how everything turns out, and I love that I don't have to go out and spend a fortune on my home decor anymore. So let me go ahead and finish showing you this. I'm going to go ahead and use another one of our Couture inks, and I'm going to add the Can't Touch This right above my super cute little cactus. And you know, guys, cactuses are so on trend right now, which is awesome. So I not only did I put it back onto my tea towel, but I'm going to go ahead and move and put it back onto the wood project that I'm working on. And this is truly, I thought, the best way to show you just how awesome it is that you can reuse these over and over, and that you can do them on multiple surfaces. You could use our chalk paste on wood, tin, mirrors, metal, chalkboards, which we sell amazing chalkboards. They are beautiful design porcelain steel chalkboards. And you can use our Couture ink on tea towels, on handbags, on canvas bags, on shirts, on pillowcases, which we sell amazing pillowcases which you will want to use to decorate your home. So I just wanted to show you super quickly how awesome this project was, how easy it was to do, and I really hope that this can to spark your creativity and bring different ideas to your projects so you don't have to rely on going out to the store anymore. So right now I wanted to show you when I said our Couture inks are permanent once they are heat set. All you need to do is get an iron, and in between your design and the iron, you want to put a piece of parchment paper. Now, with a typical iron, you will iron 4 minutes on one side, flip it over and redo the same thing on the other side, 4 minutes on that side as well. I just happened to be using an easy press, so it only needed 30 seconds on each side. But this should give you a super awesome idea of what you can do with our projects. Make sure you stay tuned to see the super cute picture at the end to show how they both look.